Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your BMW X6 with its key. First, you'll need to access the physical key hidden inside your key fob. Simply slide the small release button and pull out the metal key. Next, locate the key slot, which is typically found on the right side of the steering column. Firmly insert the physical key into this slot until it clicks into place. This action prepares the vehicle for ignition. With the key securely in its slot, the next step is to initiate the engine. Place your foot firmly on the brake pedal, ensuring it is fully depressed. While holding the brake, press the Start/Stop Engine button, usually located near the key slot or on the dashboard. Hold the button for a moment until you hear the engine turn over and start. Release the button and the brake once the engine is running smoothly. If your BMW X6 doesn't start, there are a few common issues to check. First, the key fob battery might be low, preventing the car from recognizing the key's signal. You might need to replace it. Second, ensure your vehicle's main battery isn't drained. A jump start could be necessary. Always refer to your owner's manual for detailed troubleshooting steps and explanations of any dashboard warning lights. Proper care of your key fob can prevent future starting problems. It's a good practice to replace the key fob battery every 2 to 3 years to ensure reliable operation. Also, try to keep your key fob away from strong electromagnetic fields, as these can interfere with its signal. For more tips and to explore other great deals, check the description below. And remember, you can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for all your reading adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.